Alright, so today we are going to be installing this new Mishimoto shift knob that I got in for my birthday. Thank you to my beautiful girlfriend, she bought this for me. It is a weighted shift knob, which I'm super excited about because this factory shift knob looks like absolute crap. Sometimes I miss a gear just because it doesn't really feel right and it's already kind of falling apart. I don't know if you guys have a 350Z or G35, but all the shift knobs kind of tend to do this, so this one's absolutely hosed. So today we're gonna install this little bad boy. Open up the package. It's really nicely packaged and I'm really happy about that. But let's open this up. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. But yeah, there it is, man. This thing is super shiny. I thought it would match the little panels they got in the G35, so it should look pretty good. You got the Mishimoto logo stapled on there. Well, not stapled, but branded on there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this install going. Look back there real quick. So let's go ahead and throw this thing into 6. You got 2 plugs in the back of here. One goes to the actual coin tray. You got your hazard light. We're gonna go ahead and unplug those real quick. Since this thing is tightened on with thread lock from the factory, what I'm gonna do is, if you look underneath the boot, there's gonna be a little metal shaft. Every time you turn the shift knob, that shaft turns. I'm gonna take a pair of vice grips and kind of squeeze that so that I can squeeze off the shift knob. It's gonna probably be a pain in the ass, but that's what I'm gonna do. Unfortunately, that did not go as planned. Had to use other means to twist it off. All that fucking Loctite made this way more difficult than it should have been. So, done with that.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it.